If you suspect that your Facebook account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Identify your account. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Facebook account. Facebook will then help you identify your account by sending a verification code to your email or phone. Step 3. Verify your identity. Check your email or phone for the verification code sent by Facebook. Enter this code on the recovery page to verify your identity. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized actions. Check your messages, posts, and friend requests and report any suspicious activity to Facebook. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security in the future. Taking these steps will help you regain control of your account and protect it from future threats.